Alright, what's up YouTube? So this is my 2016 Ford Focus RS. I'm gonna be installing these yellow fog lights. And basically what I'm gonna do is remove this trim completely, stick it on, put it back together, and yeah, let's see how it goes. So basically what I've done, since I don't have a trim tool to, like, the little plastic thingies that go around in there, I kind of just have a stick, poked it in just to give me a little bit of space, and I'm going to put another one right here and kind of just pop it out, because the pins come in thisward and down, so you have to push inward and like inward and in, if that makes sense. Alright, so basically I didn't use the sticks, I just kind of just jiggled it from here, and I already got one end out, so you can see. So basically what I did is I just grabbed my two hands right here, kind of just shook it, and then one popped out, and now I'm just going to work my way around it to try to get all the edges so I can come out, and then I'm going to clean this, the fog light, with some alcohol wipes, and I'm about to show you. Alright, so this is what it looks like after. I took the piece off. This is what it looks like afterwards. So basically I'm just going to clean this up a little bit with some alcohol wipes. I'm probably going to clean that, and then might as well clean up this area inside here, just because it's dirty and I'm probably not going to open this up again. So yeah, I'll just clean this off, clean everything, and then I'll show you the install. Alright, so now I'm going to clean up the glass with these alcohol wipes. Just want to make sure there's no extra gunk or oil on there, because the vinyl needs to stick on a flat, clean surface. So let's get to it. Okay, clip. Gotta be kind of rough with it. There we go. Get a little jiggle so they all lock in. Damn, looks good. Check it out. Actually, doesn't look too bad. I like that. Damn. Alright, cool. Let's get the other one on and see how it looks. The yellow might be a little too aggressive, the color. Might think about changing it. I don't know, for now I like it. I'm gonna put the other one on, see how it looks. Test of how it looks. Have my keys on me. This beautiful car. Clutch in, neutral, start it up. On, lights on. Let's turn on the fog lights. Let's check it out. Sexy. Yeah. Not too bad. I'm gonna put both on and see how they look. Both of them on. They look actually pretty nice. Got them on so far. I'm gonna turn them on and yeah, you guys will see it, and then I'll show you it during the day. And yeah, that'll be the video. This is the car. So had the fog lights on for about, this is probably like 2 weeks now. They look great. Go to the other side. Awesome. There's no bubbling, no nothing, stays on. No rock chips, which is great. So yeah, I'm gonna start it, I'll start up, but I'll show you what they look like with both of them running. And then, yeah, then you guys can decide if you guys wanna put it on your car. They are on, so that's kind of like the angle you get with them. I'm gonna open up the garage so you can see them. And yeah, alright, this is how they look with both of them on.